Today I am going to discuss class 10 CBSE portion. Then how to solve a pair of linear equation. What is a linear equation? That first we have to understand. Then any equation with the variable as a power 1, that is called linear equation. Then a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. In this case, a1 a2 b1 b2 are real numbers, that is coefficient of x and y. Then c1 and c2 are the constants. Then this equation, how we will solve and get these answers x y like that. That is the today's portion. Then for example, 3x minus y plus 7 equal to 0 and 3x plus y 7x plus y equal to 0. This we have to solve the equation. This linear equation we have to solve. Then using graphical method and algebraic method we can solve these two equations. Solving means we have to find out the value of x and y. Then using graphical method and algebraic method we can find out the solution. Then if we are using graphical method, we have to use three type of pictures or graphs we will get. Then first one is parallel with the parallel lines. If we are getting parallel lines like this, then we will get one solution. Then intersecting line like this, then another type. Then coincidence lines, then we will get like this. Then if we are plotting the solution, if we are plotting two equations like this, if we are getting parallel line, if the lines are parallel, then the system of equation have no solution and is called inconsistent. It is inconsistent and no solution. And in this case, a1 by a2, that is these a1 and a2, a1 of this equation and a2 of this one, and b1 by b2, b1 here and coefficients b2 here, and that is not equal to c1 by c2. That is the equation we are getting. Then it has no solution and is called inconsistent. Then next one is intersecting lines. If we are getting intersecting lines, then point of intersection has the unique common solution for the two equation. Common solution we will get. In this case, the pair of linear equation is consistent. Then next one is, then in this case, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This we will get a1 by a2. If we are getting a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we will have this unique common solution we will have. The next one is coincident lines. Then in this case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Then we will have two lines coincide with one another. Then we will get the equation like this. Then if the lines are coinciding, if the two lines representing the linear equation coincides, then the system of equation have infinitely many solution. We will have many solution. In this case, pair of linear equations is consistent and dependent in this case. Then these are the three important graphical method we are getting for solving a linear equation. Then the question answers will be discussing next video. Thank you.